Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to play Android games on PC using BlueStacks. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. And of course I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to download BlueStacks. Once you're in the website, just click download BlueStacks and it will be only 1 megabyte. It will download all the necessary files in the installer. I will talk about these two in a bit and the second website. Once you have downloaded the installer, just open it and click yes. And once it has opened, if you want to change the download location of BlueStacks, just click customize installation and choose where you want to download BlueStacks. After that, click install now, and it's 515 megabytes. For me it will take only 1 or 2 minutes because I have a pretty fast internet connection, but for you I don't know how much it will take. It will depend on your internet connection. So guys, I will see you in the end of the installer. Okay guys, I'm back. The installer hasn't finished yet. It's extracting the files, and I'm pretty sure it will take another 2 minutes or so. I will see you again in the end of the installation. Okay guys, I'm back. The installation just finished, and before it opens BlueStacks on your computer, if you see this error message right here, cannot start BlueStacks. BlueStacks is unable to use hardware-assisted virtualization when Hyper-V is enabled. If you have this problem right here, you can disable Hyper-V real easily by going in Start or search, type there Windows Features. Click that and go here. Find Hyper-V. If you have it checked, uncheck it, and you have to disable one other setting right here, Windows Hyper-Vision Platform. Make sure you uncheck both of these and then click OK. And after that, it will require you to restart your computer. After you have restarted your computer, if it still doesn't work, that's why we have the disable Hyper-V native.x right here. If you have restarted your computer and it still shows this message, open this, then click yes again, and it will say please wait while BlueStacks performs the necessary actions. So that will disable Hyper-V again if it didn't work. So I'm pretty sure after you have done that, you will need again to restart your computer, and after you have restarted your computer, I'm 100% sure that it will work. So as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. It will require you, as you saw like 1 minute ago, to sign in to Google Play. I will sign in, I will put my details, and I will see you in 30 seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. I signed into my Google account and downloaded Clash of Clans. I'm in my main account that I haven't played for like 5 months. As you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. If you want to change graphic settings, go up here in the top right corner, click the little gear icon, click settings, and you can change the settings from here. The main settings for graphics is the display and engine, but more specifically is the engine. I have changed it to DirectX, and as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine and almost hitting 60 FPS. So I'm gonna close that. So that's the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.